dental unit chairs. It is without a doubt the most critical part of all dental equipment. That being said, what kind of dental unit chair would dentists actually prefer? For dentists, convenience and versatility are the key for optimal medical experience. Patients, they should be able to comfortably sit through long hours without any pain in their back or shoulders. In addition to all of these, wouldn't it be nice to have great design and durability? At Austin Implant, a revolutionary Austin Implant dental unit chair K3 was created as a result of persistent research on each component. For the past 3 years, K3 has been the best-selling and most favorable among dentists. Let's have a closer look. K3 has world-renowned Kava handpiece recognized and admired by dentists across the globe. Kava high-speed handpiece runs up to 400,000 RPM and it has excellent cutting force that shortens treatment time. Optimal electronic high-speed handpiece is loaded with 5 times speed booster on top of 40,000 RPM, bringing its maximum rotation up to 200,000 RPM. With this fast rotation and powerful torque, the high-speed handpiece can dramatically reduce the time for crown preparation. The low-speed handpiece can be adjusted between 2,000 to 40,000 RPM, and it's primarily used for polishing. You can also save up to 3 of your favorite RPM values, making the treatment process even more convenient with customizable features. Scalar, an EMS product, also improves the quality of treatment.
So the K3's integrated electric handpiece is smooth and powerful. I can confidently create perfect crown margins due to its clean, precision cutting and stability at high speed.
For K3, it's easier to place the dental handpiece and scalar back into the instrument holder. Each hole contains LED lighting, which allows the dentist to take immediate notice when the instrument is not placed correctly. The holder was also designed to prevent tube lines from entanglement or getting caught by dentists' or patients' clothes. The power control knob for scalars is located on the top right corner of the doctor's table, making it easier for the dentist to maneuver. The doctor's table also features 4.3-inch full LCD screen, bigger than the average dental unit chairs, providing better access to current equipment status. In addition, you can also check intraoral analog film with the press of a film view button.
The large LCD screen on the doctor's table lets me know the status of the chair and the operating information, so I know exactly how the chair is operating.
For those of you who have been using dental chairs for many years, you probably experienced that the doctor's table may shift and press against the patient's chest during operation. To improve such conditions, K3 has adopted a locking knob and 2 interior gas cylinders for its adjustable arm. The gate valve allows the arm to be fixated in desired positions and prevents it from getting loose. The 2 gas cylinders smoothens the arm motion and lets the arm move with minimum effort. The K3 doctor's table has more than enough space for all of your medical instruments and supplies. If that doesn't suffice, there's also an extension to make your workplace even more spacious. There's a separate chart holder and mouse pad storage, making the K3 a highly effective desk organizer.
It used to be difficult to operate with small side tables, but the K3 makes it easy with its large extension table.
K3 also features a unique light system. With the help of a large reflector, K3 light doesn't need to be adjusted even with the patient's head moves from side to side. The new LED lamp is approximately 50% larger compared to that of regular dental chair units. The light uses wide beam angle and therefore it is easier to inspect the teeth and soft tissue. The blue light cutoff function effectively blocks the blue ray and resolves the issues regarding resin curing. As a result, patients receive more aesthetic treatment.
The K3 light is a large field of view, so I rarely have to move it. I really like the blue light function as well, so it doesn't cure my composites.
Many dentists might also have experienced inconvenience when foot pedals are pushed back. The core weight of K3 foot pedal is centered towards the bottom, and this enables security and accuracy. In addition, a foot strap makes it easy for dentists to move the foot pedal around. The K3 dental unit chair was developed with both patients' comfort and dentist convenience in mind. First up, the cuspidor was designed in an oval shape with proper depth to prevent gargled water or saliva from splashing. The K3 assistant rack was built to maximize its purpose. Suction hose and three-way syringe are designed to be used and stored with ease. The control panel features various functions that would simplify the treatment: position customization, cuspidor cleaning, light control, and more.
K3 is very useful to support and manage patient treatments. The most important advantage is the assistant table, which makes it convenient to assist a doctor during a procedure, and a controller helps me to easily operate the chair. It's also convenient for patients because the table can be moved and rotated.
K3's mainframe was designed with both dentists and patients in mind. The hydraulic motor allows the chair to recline smoothly. With adjustable height, the dentist can easily perform treatments in different positions. The ergonomically designed mainframe evenly distributes the patient's weight, especially the part that makes direct contact with the chair, including shoulders, back, and hips for optimal comfort. In case of the headrest, K3 has adopted its double-jointed design with the no-load single-touch function. The backrest is wider than average and hence comfortably embraces the patient's back and shoulders. Also, the cylindrical armrests are vertically adjustable for the convenience of patients. They make it easy for patients to sit on the chair and provide comfort during treatment.
It's simply comfortable when I'm lying on the chair, especially the head, the neck, the back, and the arms are all easily supported. It was great that I felt no discomfort during long hours of operation.
The overall design of the K3 accentuates its curved lines and figures. It blends in well in any dentist office. There are 9 different color options, from darker color such as brown and navy blue to lighter tones including ivory and orange. Moreover, customizable colors are available for unit chair seat, doctor's table, assistant table, and the cover of the spitten. The K3 has been honored with Good Design Award. Its popularity has driven the unique dental equipment to function as an aesthetic element of medical interior. So far, we have reviewed the excellency of K3 dental unit chair by category. On top of all that, K3 has proven its durability by going through 10,000 rounds of height adjustments and 5 years of power on and off without trouble. In the end, it was the clients who took the first notice of K3's excellency. K3 holds the record of fastest selling chairs at 10,000 chairs sold in the shortest amount of time. Currently, it is still the best-selling product in clinics. Ostem Implant will not settle with the success of K3. We will continue our research and development to deliver the better dental unit for complete satisfaction of dentists and patients. This is why the dental industry is paying close attention to Ostem Dental Unit Chair. We shall continue to follow Ostem's journey to success in dentistry. I'm Monica. Thank you for watching.